We start with weekly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as you can see, based on weekly chart, we are within this downtrend, and we're looking at this one as a running flat. How deep this one can go, and we can expect the price tag the previous low. The reason I'm highlighting about this, I want to say is that if anyone wants to look for the reversal, if they want to look for buys a long term, they should know how to look for trade, and that's mean they should look for the proper trade setup. Anyway, if we move to lower time frame, if we move to daily chart, since the price was within this one, we discuss how we can look for trade, and this is what we get. Right now, we can put this one as a three waves ABC, and if you put this low and relative to the previous one, and if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. And whenever is the three waves following by divergence, we call it as ABC. And in that case, we can look for the reversal. That means we can expect this is the end of this one, and we look for next move. That's mean if you get an opportunity for buy, we will take it. How deep this one can go? First, simply we can put our fib here. We can look for 27 following by to 61%. Okay. By the way, at this point, for me, I'm looking to see whether the price can break drop to the previous low, which I'm referring to 0.095. All right. That's mean if anyone wants to look for buy, they need to be quite careful. And still we don't see, even we have a divergence, it doesn't mean the price can reverse at this point. Okay. That's mean if you want to look for buy, we have to look for the reversal, and mostly we have to look for proper trade setup based on lower time frame. But at this point, since we have a three waves following by divergence, we looking for the reversal point. That's mean we're looking to get the trade setup for buy, but based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup yet. And if we move to lower time frame, we move to forward chart. Based on forward chart, in the small picture, we see we have divergence, but the MACD in the bigger picture, we see we have a divergence. Okay. But at this point, as I see, we don't have any trade setup for buy. We have to wait. And even if you want to look for buy, maybe we get the reversal as a short term. That's mean if you get any opportunity for buy at the based on lower time frame, at the first we consider as a short term. That's mean as long as we get into the profit, we should know how to manage it, unless we see the trade setup based on higher time frame. But at this point, based on daily and forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. That's mean we have to wait. And even based on a 1 hour chart, still we are within the downtrend. Okay, how to look for trade? The only thing is we look for the reversal as a short move flag based on lower time frame. We will take the trade. By the way, we're looking for the reversal, but we don't see any trade setup yet. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.